previewing some Complan, and we've got to put this in the glass, and it's equivalent, it's basically a food supplement, because I'm not feeling too great, so I have to use this as a food supplement. But yeah, suitable for vegetarians. It's gluten free as well, and it's just got instructions what to do, so let's go by my instructions. Strawberry flavoured one. Let's pop in some milk. We'll give it a mix, so it's going to change colour, so bear with me while I've done it, while I mix it up and squish it up, and I'll show you in a minute. It has your vitamin C, zinc, iron, vitamin D, calcium, vitamin B2, B6, B12. Basically all the stuff that you need. Vitamin E, vitamin K, folic acid, vitamin B12, folic acid. It's got quite a lot of stuff in it, and your zinc, iron, magnesium, calcium, phosphate, fluoride. Yes, got a lot of stuff that your body needs that you're missing. Nice and proper now. Blow some bubbles to make it look fancy. But yeah, let's look at the flavours. Like strawberry, Complan, if food supplement. So basically, if you're not having a meal, we have this. Yeah, gets you iron, goes towards your iron, contributes towards. Poses here. Let's see what it tastes like. Drink. Doesn't taste like a milkshake, because you won't expect that. It's like a food drink. Strawberries there, but it's got a metallic taste. But it's something you need when you're not well. When you're not up to the mood for the food, you need liquid food drinks. When you're not feeling great, it's nice to have something cold. If I had to give this a review, why I'm not up to scratch, I need food supplement, yes, I recommend it. You don't just get this flavour, you get banana, and there's chocolate flavour as well, but I haven't reviewed them yet. Strawberry's not my favourite, but banana's the best. Before you asked in the comments, this is not a plastic straw, it's a biodegradable straw. I got them from the farm shop. I've got quite a box of those. I sometimes swap them for the paper straws because I don't like the paper ones, they're all soggy. I've got to drink this commonly now. It's going to take me a while. It's not thick, not thickish. You need to keep stirring occasionally because it does get a bit lumpy. If you've got like a whisk, yeah, it'd be good. I had a fork, so I didn't have a whisk, so yeah, it's going well. What's really strange, you can taste the iron. You can really taste the iron in the food. I'm doing well. I'm drinking it, so don't worry. I've got to finish this to feel great. You get, I see what you get in your packet. It says in here you get 4 in a packet. There's 3 steps to do it. So basically pour it in, whisk it, keep pouring it occasionally. I just chucked it all in a sipping me. I just took my time by doing it. But yeah, it's equivalent. Oh, here's the flavours. Veritable vanilla, delicious banana and rich chocolate, and original. I've had the original for the flavoured ones really, but the original one's alright. It's very nutritious, suitable for vegetarians and suitable for your gluten-free diet as well. It says prepare the food per serving within 2 hours, always discard unfinished. So when you're finished with the whole thing, discard of it, wash it up. Yeah, it's basically like having a meal. So if you're not feeling great after 2 hours, it's best to take another one. Don't go crazy because it will fill you up. Trust me, it does fill you up. It's like having a meal. But yeah, I do recommend it. If you're under the weather, you're not feeling too great, and you need a food supplement, it's best to buy Complan. Sometimes they're called Build Up, as another word they use. And they sell them in pharmacies or chemists, go to one of them, they sell it in here, and this is in the UK I'm talking about, they sell it in here, the price range, check the price, I paid £4.79 and I get four in there for £4.79, so it's not bad, it's just about £1 and a bit for a glass, so you can't complain with the price. Worth it for its money. I recommend it if you're under the weather, and it does perk you up, it does make you feel great. End of the day you feel, oh, I feel good. I know it's a liquid, but it's all the nutrition and everything your body needs, so you can't, if you're not in the mood for eating food, this is what I recommend. If you're in the mood for milkshakes and something cold you like drinking, this is recommended, and it's worth it, and value for money. It varies depending on where you live, but if you're not sure about them having for the first time, I recommend having one that the flavour that you like. So if you like strawberry, get the strawberry. If you like the banana, get the banana, and so forth. The original's just like a basic taste. Some people use them, some people are not. Not every chemist has them all in stock, so you've got to take you have to be aware of that sometimes when you go and buy them. Until next time.